Hello students, we will continue the story There's a Crocodile in a Pickle Jar. So without wasting time, let's begin. As he made his way to the kitchen, Alex could hardly wait to sneak. Sneak means steal. A nice big piece of chocolate cake. He knew that would make him feel better. But when Alex opened the refrigerator door, he was shocked to see a crocodile swimming in the jar of pickles. The crocodile looked mean and appeared ready to attack. Alex slammed the refrigerator door and cried out, "Help me, please, help me." See, Alex is hungry. He is feeling weak. Still, his whole attention is on that mouth-watering food only. Still, he is not realizing the importance of eating vegetables or healthy food. But as he is punished by his parents, so when everybody is sleeping at night, he silently goes to the kitchen to steal a nice big piece of chocolate cake from the refrigerator. Refrigerator means what? In short, we say fridge. But as we store different types of food items in fridge, there also is a jar of pickles in the fridge. When Alex opens the door of the refrigerator, he becomes extremely scared to see a crocodile swimming in the pickle jar, as if it is ready to attack him. Alex started shouting in fear. Now you are also thinking, how does the crocodile come in the fridge, right? Do you think that really a crocodile is there? No. Then, actually, this is the jar of pickle. But it appeared to him as if a crocodile, as he was in empty stomach. His brain didn't function properly. Do you know your brain and your stomach are in constant contact with each other, which is why some emotions affect our stomach physically. Alex's cry for help woke up everyone in his family. His parents and brother rushed to see what was wrong. "What's going on, Alex?" asked Alex's dad. "Why are you up at this time of night?" Alex hid behind the kitchen table as he pointed to the refrigerator and said, "Daddy, there's a crocodile in our pickle jar." "There's what?" asked Alex's mom. "I saw it. It's in there," said Alex. "There's a crocodile in our pickle jar." So, as there is complete silence in night time, so when Alex shouts for help in fear, naturally all the family members wake up and they come rushing to him to see what has happened. Then, when Alex tells that there's a crocodile in the pickle jar, everyone becomes surprised as it is unbelievable at all. As Alex's mom and brother joined him behind the kitchen table, Alex's dad opened the refrigerator door. He grabbed means hold, the jar of pickles. "Please get it out of there," cried Alex. Alex's dad reached into the pickle jar and took a huge bite out of the crocodile. So Alex is so much afraid that he is hiding behind the kitchen table and not at all coming out. So while Alex's mother and brother stands beside him, Alex's father opened the refrigerator door and grabs the jar of pickles. Alex is still in illusion, so he keeps shouting in fear. But Alex's dad calmly puts his hand into the pickle jar and took a bite out of the crocodile. Now, here, notice crocodile is in inverted commas. It is of two reasons. It is not actually crocodile but cucumber. It is Alex's illusion which has converted the cucumber to the crocodile. And the second reason is inverted commas are used for a phrase or word that is being discussed. So here, though there is no crocodile at all, but it has been discussed or mentioned as crocodile by Alex, that's why this crocodile is in inverted commas. Wow, said Alex's dad. This is not sweet. When did we get dill pickles? Dill is a plant with yellow flowers whose leaves and seeds are used in cooking as a herb. Now we come to know that it is a jar of very tasty dill pickles. What's going on? Alex asked. Where's the crocodile? I saw it move. It showed me its teeth. After Alex was reassured everything was okay, his parents reminded him of how important food was for energy. Alex's empty stomach was why he had felt dizzy and weak. And when you feel that way, your eyes can play tricks on you. So, you see, there never was a crocodile in the pickle jar that night. The next evening, when Alex's mom told everyone there was plenty of leftover chocolate cake for dessert, Alex was the only one who didn't want any. He was too stuffed. 3 helpings of broccoli will do that. So here, Alex, as if, has become obsessed. He is still in the belief that he has seen a crocodile in that pickle jar. Then his parents explain him that when one goes to bed hungry, one's eyes can play tricks. That's why food is important for energy and good health. In these, Alex realized the importance of taking vegetables or healthy meal, and he becomes so convinced that the next evening he eats 3 broccolis. Have you seen broccolis? 2 types of broccolis are there, purple broccolis and green broccolis. And broccolis are full of nutrients. It's very healthy for our health. So, Alex's stomach gets so stuffed, so full, that he is no more interested for chocolate cake. So, as Alex has got a lesson and realized the importance of eating vegetables or proper meal, I hope this will make you aware too, as I find that many of you don't finish your food in the lunch break, especially when you bring vegetables. And some of you bring chocolate along with your meal. But you take the chocolate only and ignore your vegetables. You may say that you haven't seen crocodile like Alex, but internally you are growing weak, which you are not understanding yourselves because you are a child now. So, whatever your mother gives you, you never argue or show dissatisfaction. Always remember that if you make the habit of eating proper food happily, you will be benefited. You will be stronger both mentally and physically. So, here I end the discussion of the story There's a Crocodile in Our Pickles written by R.T. Knapp. After this, I have attached a video of what is dill pickles or how dill pickles is prepared. If you are interested, you can watch and enjoy. Bye bye.